summary of revenue by customer, you need to make sure that your actual data table has a field that shows the customer name and another field that shows the month and the year of each sale relating to that customer. The problem is most ledger data that we get just has a date field, but not a month and year field. So here's how we can add one. You can use the date formula and take the year of your date field, the month of your date field, and just insert a 1 for the day. So now for everything in January, we fill this formula down, you'll see that we have a date of January 1st of 2021. When we format this into a month and year format, now you can see that in our data table, we have just the month and year relating to each sale in January. So now if we take a unique listing of this in order to create a data table, we just have a listing of 24 months and years.